Some people cannot help but have a glass or more of an alcoholic beverage every day. After deciding to make some lifestyle changes and going on the keto diet, you might be asking yourself if it's a wise decision to still consume alcohol. Yes, you can still drink alcohol while on a keto diet, as ketosis will not be affected, but there will definitely be some form of impact. Your rate of ketosis will decline to some extent. The reduction in ketosis is the primary catch when it comes to consuming alcohol while on a keto diet. However, if your weight loss journey does not have a period attached to it, you can go ahead with your alcohol intake. Keep watching to see why certain alcoholic drinks can be consumed, what alcoholic beverages we picked, and those that did not make the list. If that sounds like a plan, make sure you destroy that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel to accelerate your keto weight loss journey. For starters, a couple of alcoholic drinks are what I like to call keto-friendly, while others are filled with bad carbs. All alcoholic drinks in the preceding topic are safe for consumption while on a keto diet. They have a low sugar content and calorie count compared to beer. There is also the number of carbohydrates per gram if you were to order a glass at a bar. Most drinks that we recommend have 0 carbs, fat, fiber, and protein per 100 milliliters or per shot, as the case may be. Now that you know alcohol can still be taken during keto, with the downside being a reduction in your rate of ketosis, let's take a quick look at which drinks can be consumed. One of them is whiskey, which is an alcoholic beverage made from either fermenting grains or distilling beer. Common grains used in whiskey production include rye, wheat, and barley. Whiskey is totally carb-free, and as such, will not result in an addition of more carbs to your diet. One 35 milliliter shot of whiskey contains absolutely 0 carbohydrates, fat, fiber, and protein, making it suitable for keto consumption. Now, gin is an alcoholic drink that obtains its unique taste and flavor from juniper berries. Gin has been regarded as a healthier option for alcoholic beverages due to fewer calories and less sugar. Gin is also free of carbohydrates, while having 263 calories per 100 grams. Be careful of any additives, dyes, or sugars that may cause gin's sugar content to spike. Another option is vodka, a distilled alcoholic drink comprising of water and ethanol. Brands producing vodka have made it available in flavors such as chocolate and strawberry. Vodka is said to have health benefits such as the improved flow of blood and circulation overall. Vodka is also a low-calorie alcohol for those who are on keto. A 100-gram serving of vodka contains 231 calories and 0 carbohydrates. Tequila is another popular distilled alcoholic beverage with its origins in Mexico. This alcohol is made from the blue agave plant, with a volatility of about 40 to 50%. It is regarded as beneficial to health, as it does not cause blood sugar levels to spike. Tequila is low in calories with 0 grams of carbs, protein, and fat, with only 69 calories per ounce. Rum is a liquor made from the fermentation and distillation of molasses, after which the distillate is kept to age in barrels made from oak. Rum is healthy, as it decreases cholesterol, helps prevent heart attack and heart diseases. A single rum shot, 4.2 grams, contains 97 calories with 0 carbs, sugars, fat, and fibers. Moving on to our brandies, Cognac is a type of brandy made from distilling white wine twice. Copper pots are used for this purpose, while the distillate is stored in French oak barrels for at least 2 years. A 1.5-ounce shot of cognac is free of carbohydrates with 15 calories. Cognac is said to lower the chances of weight gain and breathing problems when taken in moderation. Brandy itself is an alcoholic beverage made by distilling wine and typically has a volatility of 35 to 60%. Some brandies are kept to age in wooden casks, while some have caramel added to imitate aging. A 100 milliliter serving of brandy contains 220 calories, with no carbs, sugar, fiber, or fat. Therefore, brandy is safe for consumption during keto when taken in moderation. Can you please do me a favor and hit the like button if you feel that you've got value so far? And by the way, there's a link in the description that leads to an in-depth article about this topic. There you can find an always up-to-date list with all the alcoholic drinks that can be consumed on the keto diet. However, there are some alcoholic drinks that shouldn't be consumed during keto, one of which is beer. By every means possible, avoid consuming regular beer if you are on a keto diet. This is because beer is made from grains with a lot of carbs that digest rapidly. On average, a bottle of regular beer contains about 20 grams of net carbs per 350 milliliters, depending on the brand. However, light beers have about 2 to 3 grams of carbs, which seem just fine considering the carb limit of less than 50 grams during keto. One bottle of light beer per week is just fine, so you do not get knocked out of ketosis. Now, cocktails may sound fun, but they are not great for a keto diet. The reason why cocktails aren't great on keto is because they have an alcoholic base with lots of additives. Margaritas are cocktails made from tequila, lime juice, and orange liqueur with salt on the rim of the glass cup. They are served mostly with or without ice. Margaritas have about 13 grams of carbs and 200 calories in one 240 milliliter serving. One regular margarita per week is okay, as long as you do not exceed your carb intake. There are also keto-friendly margarita recipes available on the internet. Another is a Bloody Mary, the base of which is vodka mixed with Worcester sauce, tomato juice, and other flavorings, which add carbs to the mix. Your typical 250 milliliter to 300 milliliter serving of Bloody Mary in a bar contains about 7 grams of carbohydrates, lower than regular beers. With that said, it's best to restrict your intake to at least one per week. Ensure you track your carbs intake so you stay in line with your weight goals. To help you along, we also asked our community about their most burning questions on this topic, and here are the top 5. One person asked, what possible problems might occur from alcohol overconsumption while on a keto diet? As in any situation, having too much alcohol could affect your liver negatively. Diseases such as alcohol-related liver disease can cause significant damage to your liver. More related to keto, overconsumption of alcohol rich in carbs can lower your guard against other unhealthy foods during keto. Reduced self-awareness with lesser caution means you could easily binge on fries or other foods heavy in fat or carbs. A really high intake of alcoholic drinks high in carbs can also knock your body out of ketosis. Our second question was, how much alcohol can I consume during keto? Not minding how perfect your diet may be, it is best to keep many things in check, especially carbs. Remember, moderation is essential when it comes to alcohol consumption in general. It is better to abstain completely if you can, but for each 1.5-ounce shot of alcohol, drink 1 glass of water to match. Our third question was, what precautions do I adhere to when taking alcohol in a keto diet? When taking alcoholic drinks low in carbs, it is essential not to throw in any additives that may bump up the carb content. Additives such as carbonated drinks, cranberry juice, and grape juice have as high as 35 grams of carbs per serving. A great question we received was, at which point can I introduce alcohol into my keto diet? We advise that alcohol should be introduced only when you are well into the plan. You should have reached your goal to some extent, leaving less room to be kicked out of ketosis. If you'd prefer not to drink, this question may be for you. What non-alcoholic substitutes can I drink when on a keto diet? There are drinks you can take when on keto that align perfectly with your diet with regard to nutritional content. These include tea, sparkling water, and low-carb juices, to mention a few. In conclusion, alcohol can be consumed during keto, but ensure it is any of the listed ones, such as rum and whiskey, which are low in carbs. Moderation is also vital when including alcohol in your diet. However, it would be better to search the web for keto-friendly cocktails and beers, as these are available for sale. If you want to see another video that helps you with your keto diet, watch the video on the top right. Or if you want to check out our latest one, click the video on the bottom left.